Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Philips Hue switches to a new bridge hub, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer your Philips Hue switches to a new bridge hub, start by ensuring you have both the new bridge and your Hue switches ready. Begin by unplugging your old bridge from power. Next, disconnect the old bridge from your Wi-Fi network. Now, plug in the new bridge and wait for it to power on. Once the new bridge is powered, open the Philips Hue app on your smartphone. In the app, select the option to add a new bridge. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the app to the new bridge. After successfully connecting, navigate to the settings section within the app. Look for the option labeled Lights and Bridges. Select the old bridge from the list, then choose the option to remove it from your account. After removing the old bridge, return to the main screen of the app. Now, select your new bridge to ensure it is connected and working properly. Next, take your Philips Hue switches and ensure they have fresh batteries. If necessary, reset each switch by pressing the reset button, typically located at the back. Once reset, go back to the Hue app and select the option to add accessories. Follow the prompts to add your Philips Hue switches to the new bridge. For each switch, press the pairing button when prompted by the app. Confirm that each switch is successfully added to your new bridge. Once all switches are paired, test their functionality to ensure they work as intended. Finally, organize your switches in the app for easy access and control. Your Philips Hue switches are now successfully transferred to the new bridge hub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.